So, have you heard about the Chicago Brick Oven CBO 1000 DIY kit? It's like the ultimate upgrade for any backyard cooking enthusiast. It's
Oh, really?
absolutely incredible.
No, I haven't. What's so special about it?
Well, it's this commercial-grade wood-fired pizza oven kit that you can assemble yourself. You
Mm-hmm.
can customize it to match your outdoor space with brick, stone, or stucco, whatever you like.
That sounds awesome. But is it just for pizzas?
Actually, no, it's super versatile. You can cook
Yeah.
grilled meats, roasted vegetables, bubbling cheeses, you name it.
Wow, that's impressive. But does it really make a difference cooking with wood?
Absolutely. The wood-fired flavor adds this remarkable taste to everything. It's
Right.
something you just can't replicate with conventional ovens.
I can imagine. But assembling a big oven sounds a bit daunting.
Well, it's a DIY kit, but they provide all the essentials.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, their customer support is top-notch if you need any help along the way.
That's reassuring. How about its performance? Does it heat up quickly?
Oh, it heats up incredibly fast. Thanks to its proprietary blend of refractory cement, it can reach over 1000 degrees. It
Whoa.
holds heat longer and heats faster than many other ovens out there.
Over 1000 degree F? That's intense. But do you really need that much heat?
For authentic Neapolitan-style pizza, you definitely do.
Yeah,
It gives you that perfect crispy crust in just a couple of minutes.
I see. But what about safety? Any certifications?
Yes, it's fully certified for residential and commercial use, both indoor and outdoor.
Nice.
Meets all the UL and NSF standards.
That's good to know. But at over $9,000, it's quite an investment.
It is, but you're paying for quality and durability.
Right.
It's made in the USA and built to commercial-grade standards.
True, quality does come at a price. Do they offer any protection plans?
They do. There are optional 3- and 4-year protection plans from Asurion.
Okay.
Covers accidental damage and malfunctions after the manufacturer's warranty expires.
That's helpful. But do you think it's worth getting the protection plan?
Considering the investment, I think it's a smart move. Gives
Yeah.
you peace of mind, especially if something unexpected happens.
Makes sense. How do customers feel about the oven? Any reviews?
Yes, actually. It has a 5-star rating. Customers rave about the oven and the excellent customer service. One
That's
customer
promising.
mentioned how the company proactively helped fix his order.
Now that's impressive customer service. But I'm curious, is it suitable for someone like me, a casual home cook?
Honestly, it might be more than you need.
Mm-hmm.
It's ideal for serious enthusiasts or even small businesses. But if you're passionate about wood-fired cooking, it could be a great fit.
I do love the idea of hosting pizza nights. But maybe there's a smaller model?
Yes, they have smaller models like the CBO 500 or CBO 750.
Oh, good to know.
They offer similar features, but with a smaller footprint and price tag.
That might be more up my alley. Thanks for the info.
Anytime. It's exciting to explore these options.
Absolutely.
Maybe we can try building one together someday.
That would be fun. Let's keep that in mind.